When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, choosing the right style can make all the difference in comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. For homeowners in Pell City, one window style stands out for its practicality and performance: the casement window. Casement windows have long been a favorite for their clean design and exceptional functionality. Hinged on one side and opening outward like a door, they provide top-notch ventilation, energy efficiency, and a sleek look that suits both traditional and modern homes. Here's why casement windows are a smart, long-term investment for Pell City homeowners looking to improve their homes inside and out. Superior ventilation and fresh airflow. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their ability to catch and direct breezes into your home. Because they open fully outward, they act like a sail, catching side breezes and channeling fresh air inside. For Pell City residents who experience warm, humid days throughout much of the year, this feature makes a noticeable difference. Casement windows provide maximum ventilation, allowing you to naturally cool your home and enjoy the refreshing Alabama air without relying entirely on your air conditioner. They're also perfect for hard-to-reach spaces, such as above kitchen sinks or countertops, since their easy-turn crank handles make them simple to open and close. Exceptional energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Pell City, where hot summers can drive up cooling costs. Casement windows are among the most energy-efficient window styles available because of their tight seal when closed. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which rely on tracks, casement windows have compression seals that create an airtight fit against the frame when latched. This prevents drafts and air leaks that can compromise comfort and drive up energy bills. Modern casement windows often include advanced features such as double or triple pane glass with insulating gas-filled low-E coatings that reflect heat and block harmful UV rays, thermally efficient frame materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. Together, these features help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while reducing strain on your HVAC system, an investment that quickly pays off in energy savings. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Casement windows offer excellent security thanks to their locking mechanisms and durable design. When closed, the sash presses tightly against the frame, making it difficult to pry open from the outside. Most models include multi-point locks that secure the window in several places with one easy turn of the handle. Combined with reinforced glass and strong frames, this makes casement windows one of the safest options for Pell City homeowners concerned about home protection. You'll also enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are built to withstand high winds and storms, an important consideration for Alabama's unpredictable weather. Elegant design that fits any style. Casement windows combine timeless elegance with modern simplicity. Their slim frames and expansive glass panels let in more natural light, making rooms feel brighter and more open. They complement virtually any home style, from classic Southern designs to contemporary builds. Whether you prefer white vinyl frames for a clean look or wood grain finishes for added warmth, casement windows can be customized to match your aesthetic perfectly. They also pair beautifully with other window styles, such as picture or bay windows, to create striking focal points throughout your home. Low maintenance and long-term value. Casement windows are designed with durability and convenience in mind. Their simple structure has fewer moving parts than other window types, reducing the risk of wear and mechanical failure. With materials like vinyl or fiberglass, they resist warping, fading, and corrosion, even under Pell City's humid, sun-filled conditions. Cleaning is easy too. Many casement windows open wide enough for you to safely access both sides of the glass from indoors. When properly installed and maintained, casement windows can last 20 years or more, providing lasting beauty and reliable performance. A smart investment for comfort and efficiency. Upgrading to casement windows is one of the smartest home improvements Pell City homeowners can make. They combine energy efficiency, durability, ventilation, and security into one elegant package. By helping you save on energy bills, enhance your home's comfort, and improve curb appeal, casement windows offer both immediate and long-term value. When it's time to replace or upgrade your windows, trust a local Pell City window installation expert who understands the area's climate and can recommend the best materials for your home. With professional installation and quality craftsmanship, your new casement windows will deliver comfort, savings, and style for decades to come.